I buffed.
Mom, the boogers on my booger wall fell off and now they're on my bed and I ate them.
Mommy, I had a dream I was on a slip inside, but it was just my bed. Cause I peed a lot.
Oh, you peed the bed. Mom,
What?
why do we die?
Mommy, I love you. Can you marry me?
That guy's not daddy.
Mommy, I have a business idea. What if it was chicken nuggets, but instead of dinosaurs, it was monster trucks?
Mommy, I'm a grown man.
Mommy, I ate my report card, so don't even try to look for it.
Mom, I peed my bed, but I peed in the air and it landed on my face.
What?
Mommy, give me.
Give you what?
I thought your electric toothbrush was on in here.